All right. So what we got here is Project Lead the Way unit. We're starting now in grade 7 science. This will close out the school year. This is a program that I took training for in probably about 3, 4 years ago. And what it'll do is it'll prep you for a pathway at the high school on biomedical detectives. Uh, it's a great unit. I've got a lot of good feedback over the years. What you're going to start with, always go to modules when you start the unit. It'll open up the biomedical detectives. Go to what is a medical detective? And here you'll see the list of assignments. This will give you the background about it, about healthcare professionals, people, nurses, physical therapists, even detectives in the police force, how they use vital signs, temperature to find a problem, to diagnose the treatment of an illness. So we will start, this is the overview of it. You're going to start today with temperature. We'll also learn about how heart rate and blood pressure can be a vital sign. We might do the chickenpox, we might not, might skip over that because we did a virus and disease piece. Then you have to identify what illness this person has based on vital signs and what you know about diseases. We will not be doing the biomedical careers. If you want to take a look at some of the key terms, they are listed here. And this will give you the overview of the whole unit as you scroll down. As we go along, the essential questions will be talked about. What clues do medical detectives use to learn about a patient's health? How can vital signs signal a decline in a patient's health? What factors affect your ability to maintain homeostasis? And we'll talk about that. That's the balance where your temperature stays at a 98.5. How can epidemics be prevented? How is a mystery illness diagnosed? What is a medical detective? And what is biomedical science will be the questions we look to answer as we do this. So your first unit you'll start with is temperature. You can do this on your own, but I would prefer that you start it with a partner. Read this on your own. This talks about vital signs, the core temperature. We'll be working with Fahrenheit and Celsius, so make sure you're recording this. What affects our temperature? I would also suggest you have a notebook to record, make a 2-column notes out of this as well to keep the information. After you record the essential information about temperature, then we can talk about doing the experiment. The procedures listed here, I have temperature probes in the lab table. When you open it, after you get the probe set up to collect data, you'll notice in your apps, graphical analysis. I want you to click that. When you have your probe plugged in, this might take a minute to load. After your probe is plugged in, it will have a green light. Sensor data collection, which I have to plug in. Might not work here. Okay. Make sure yours is plugged in. Go to the left-hand corner after you do your recording for 60 seconds. This will be your statistics tab, and this will show you the statistics. When I ask you to look at statistics, lower left-hand corner. As you progress through it, there are some questions. Please make sure you're recording your temperature in the data table measured in Celsius, and also you'll be doing the average. You add all of those up, divide by the total number of temperatures recorded, answer the conclusion questions, submit on Canvas. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, just please feel free to ask me. Thank you.